What's up, gamers? We're gonna be playing Troll Spinning Tower 2. So, yeah. We're just gonna be finishing this like normal, no catch. So, yeah. But, can we survive the trollers? I don't know. Because trollers are annoying. But, I know the trollers are admins. Because, when I first joined the game, I saw admins trolling, like literally, bro. Like my friend Suho, but yeah, Weak Hero Suho, yeah, I forgot. But I don't know about. But he's not a troller. But I saw other people cosplay as him, but I forgot the name. See that guy? Ah, oh my god. Keep trying, bro. Keep trying your lag reflex. Practice, always progress. What? Real Rosa fan. Hi. Look at that guy. You see that guy with that milk bag? He's doing that one glitch. You go over there and turn off your Wi-Fi. Like I said on my other video. Okay. Oh my god, there's a troller now. Oh my god! Ah! Bruh! I will report. Oh my god. Nobody saw that. Okay. I will go to the short side, so over there at the start, so I can be slow and nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know, guys. Basically, I made a video 18 minutes long. Literally, it cannot even load. It's still 99%. 18 minutes long, but maybe it's gonna upload maybe dinner. It's gonna be okay. Let's try Wallhapo. Wait, guys, just wait. What the hell? How dare you? See that? Just like I said. Trollers. Let's try wall hopping. See that? Alpha Subic. Seriously? See that? I'm leaving. Bye. Oh, she's gonna join another server. So that's what you got? Huh? Admin, right. Yeah, admin are annoying, being trollers, like crazy, bro. That's crazy. But like I said in the video, no rage quit, no catch. So can I now catch? How about I will do the thing here that you turn off your Wi-Fi there. Later in the video, you will see how it's done. But maybe in my other video, I did it wrong because when I turned off my Wi-Fi, it didn't fly me. But yeah, ako yung babae kanina. What? Bro, what the? I just trolled the girl. Oh my god! Finally! Oh! Finally! Excuse me. Where's the girl? Who's the girl? It's Summer. Oh, she's still here. Oh no, that guy. Wait. Is that the guy that I saw earlier? No, not. It was K is the best, yeah. Oh, he's high. See? He was just hiding, see? You see that? He was just hiding. He was just hiding, look. Okay, he's not hiding anymore. But maybe he's gonna be trolling me over there. But there's a platform. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause this video for a sec. I might go to the bathroom. Okay guys, I'm back. I went to the bathroom again. Okay. I know the guys. Oh, I thought. Was I that long? No, right? I was just 15 minutes or to 10 minutes, I think. I will do the Wi-Fi trick over there at that annoying purple stage, because when I hit her over that, like the troll part, like you see that white platform, I keep falling on it because when I jump, the second platform goes away because it's just like the trollers do, like the troll is spinning tower, a troll broke in the tower. You see, guys, you will see later. I'm so bad at this. Yes, finally. I hope I don't fall because it has gaps, like the gap in between your teeth. Yeah, I have one of those on my front teeth. I have a gap. Oh, look, your outfit is so gap. Like the gap between your teeth. This purple stage is annoying. Oh my god, first round. This one, guys, this one, that one. That one, that it's okay. What is this? What does it say? Trolley spinning tower 2? Maybe. I'm not Korean, guys. But my aunt is. She watched K-drama always. No! Oh. Phew, I didn't fall all the way. All the way. I hope that admin troller doesn't go off that thingy. Do you know? Oh no. I know. Oh, weird. Where's everyone? Am I the only one here? Where's everyone, guys? I'm the only one here. I feel so funny these days. I'd rather sleep or stay awake. It's easy to talk to me. Okay, there's a person named Cheese. Hi, Cheese. Cheese. Two. Okay. Did you look at my face? I think no. I think the one that a girl that I trolled earlier, the one has pink hair, I think she left. I don't know. She's a Tagalog, by the way, like me. Oh my! What the hell? What? I swear I saw something. What the? What? Oh my god, it's sideways. Oh my god. He's Spider-Man. He's Spider-Man. Okay. We're going up again. So, I don't want to be my video like it's 18 minutes. Like, what? 18 minutes to finish that a troll broke in the tower? Seriously, bro. Yeah, I just did that. Like, ah! Okay. No trollers. No trollers, right? It's my twin. Don't troll. Tugtog ka. The girl said, tugtog ka. That's mean you listen to music is like, I forgot the Tagalog. I'm not Tagalog, guys. I'm Bicolano. Oh my god, first star joke. Oh my god, it's so laggy. Why so laggy? Wait, how many people? Only 4? Only 4? This is might be the the lowest server I ever had. But I have lower servers, like my private server, and one of my friends are there. I think two of them. We, we, we. I miss my girl best friend. She's a yapper and I'm the listener. Oh my god. We're almost there. Oh. I haven't finished this, but I'm only finished with the troll button tower, I think, and the trolls broke with the tower. Let's wall hop. Nah, never mind. I thought this was a troll. This guys, this is what I said. When you go over here, hit your head over there at the second platform, it will be gone. It's impossible. Like, that's off the Wi-Fi. So this thing, see, that's the easiest. So easy, guys. Can you go? No! You know what, guys? I rage quitted. Even I don't say a catch, I rage quit. I quitted this game. So, bye guys! Thank you for watching my video and like and subscribe. I will make another video later. Bye!